something different. Yeah. What up, YouTube? What up? So, as y'all see, I'm currently in the Ram, man. I did a few modifications already, which I didn't videotape them. I'm kind of pissed I didn't videotape them, but I didn't have my camera guy ready, so I'm doing everything myself. But I'm currently in the Ram. A few extra upgrades I already done did to it was the exhaust. I got the exhaust. Y'all can hear that, so it sounds like a freaking monster. Radio, new radio I installed. Give y'all a picture of that. Give y'all a glance of that. Let me see. So I'm gonna give y'all a preview of what the pipes sound like when I take off and when I go. I'm currently driving it now, so. Yeah, and then you hear it when I come off the gas. It's completely quiet, man. It's crazy, man. You know, Bubba did my exhaust on here, so I love it, man. It's freaking crazy. So if y'all stop in the city, y'all want the best work in the city done. I'm sorry, I ain't got my seatbelt on. Y'all want the best work in the city done on like custom pipes. Make sure y'all go to Bubba's, man. Bubba's. Don't go nowhere else except for Bubba. I'm telling you, he had you sounding good. I'm gonna take off one more time. I'm gonna stop this taping because I am driving with the lights on, which I don't want to get no ticket for that. So I'm one more time, y'all. I'm about to take off again and show y'all how good it sounds. Y'all can hear it a little bit through the car, just me sitting idle. It's not crazy loud, but it's there. So I'm gonna take it. It's crazy, y'all. I'll see y'all on the next one, man. Let's go. So with that being said, like I showed y'all that, I installed that today. I did that. Got the exhaust done. Next thing I'm doing is tinting these windows. I don't like that. And I'm getting it lifted. That's next. 2500 big Ram, 3rd gen. Pretty low miles on it, and I got a few other things I got to get done to it too, like the brake booster. I got to get that checked out, and possibly I'm gonna get that. I'm getting everything new because I want to drive the truck for a long time. I just put it on a tester, and the coil pack was gone on it, so I got to change one of the coil packs. And I think I'm gonna change all the spark plugs on it also, which will be coming like within the next week and a half. So I'm actually headed to drop it off now to get some other work done to it. So I'm about to drop it off at the shop. So when I do that, we'll be doing a pickup from the shop. And I got a couple videos of me actually taking it from the shop and them putting the pipes on. I got the pipes out of the side, right behind the wheel, black tips. I got the 10s. I didn't get 40s, I got 10s. That's where y'all can actually hear it. So it sounds like a freaking monster coming past, which I thought that was extra dope. LEDs, all this is getting LED'd out. Other stuff, shampoo, cleaned out. It's about to be crazy. And I'm getting it wrapped. I already made my mind up. I'm getting it wrapped. But I'm gonna get some body work done on it first to make sure underneath my wrap, everything else is immaculate when I do decide to take the wrap off or change it to a different color. But my wrap is gonna be satin matte red, so it's gonna be crazy. And my rims is gonna be black with the red, satin red lug nut spikes. Whew, it's about to be sick, man. It's about to be crazy. And I'm getting rid of the plow, so the plow is gonna be gone. So if y'all need a plow, I got a Curtis plow, which y'all can get right now. Just inbox me or call me 216-200-8742. Leave me a message if I don't answer, because you have to leave a message and let me know who you are when you do call me. So some more stuff coming. It's gonna be crazy, y'all. This build, I'm happy to even be in it and driving it. So it came a long way from where I began. So that's a major freaking story behind this truck. So I'm gonna be talking a little bit more about it. It's currently late over here, so we're gonna keep it moving, and I'll see y'all in a minute.
Yeah, all-white, J-bar, big rack, go yard, blood in my wrist, need a lifeguard. She suck on this dick with no mouth guard. Pocket swole, money long, in this flare, rockin' be long. Me and Chad, I'm never at home, bitches, I'm never alone.